I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello my students, I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be learning about how to subtract decimals, okay? We are almost done with the lesson. Let's see if we can just finish crossing the line, okay? So, today we're learning about subtracting decimal, okay? Now we have the same rules, okay? They apply for everything. Let's go ahead and look at this, okay? So, we're going to be subtracting 16 and 9 tenths, good. We're going to be subtracting 16 and 9 tenths and 4 and 62 hundredths, good. So let's look at our first step. Okay, step 1 says line up the numbers according to its place value, okay? Did I do that? I made a mistake again. But that's okay, that's how we learn, by learning from our mistakes, okay? So let me just go ahead and erase this and line up everything according to its place value. What's easy to do is line up the decimals first, okay? So here are 4 and 62 hundredths, okay? Now that I line up the place value according to its place value, yes, I did. And here's the proof. Here is the hundredths place. Here is the tenths place. Here is the ones place, and here's our decimal. Don't forget about that. And here is our tenths place. Good job, okay? So now we are going to subtract, okay? Let's look at what step 2 says. Step 2 says fill in a 0 as a placeholder if needed, okay? I know I'm going to need a 0 right here. Does it change my number? Nope. Remember, 9 tenths, okay, is the same thing as 90 hundredths, because think of it like 9 dimes and 90 pennies. They're the same thing, okay? The number doesn't change, it's because it looks like it gets bigger, but it doesn't, okay? Think of it like money, alright? So, I added a 0 there, just in case, because we're not going to bring it down. I don't want you to make the mistake, oh, there's no number, I'm going to bring down my 2. No, there's a 0, okay? So that means you still have to do stuff. Alright, so now step 3 says to solve. Start with the lowest value, okay? The lowest place value, okay, which is the hundredths. Alright, so what is 0 minus 2? If I have 0 cookies, can you take away 2 from there? No. So, guess what? I'm going to have to go to my neighbor. Hey, can I borrow some sugar? Can I borrow 10? Yes. So 9 turns into 8, and then 0 turns into 10. Okay? So what is 10 minus 2 now? Good, 8. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. 8 minus 6, what is that? 2, good. Okay? Bring down the 0. Don't forget the 0. Okay? Don't forget the 0. Good. Now 6 minus 4, what is that? 2, good. Okay? And then the 1 by itself, we just bring it down because we can't do anything with it. Alright? So now I got what number? 12 and 28 hundredths. Good. 12 and 28 hundredths. Oops. I made a mistake. This right here should be a 2, not a 3 on the notes. I am so sorry. Okay? So, step 4 says to bring down the decimal, but we already did, okay? And to check, okay? So, what is the opposite of subtraction? Good, addition. So let's add. So remember, I'm gonna add my answer, 12 and 28 hundredths, and the smallest number, which is 4 and 60. Oops, then I'm trying to go away. 62. Okay, is everything lined up? Check. Good. So let's go ahead and add. 8 plus 2, 10. Good. But remember, 2 digits can't go in one place value. So that means I'm gonna have to bless my neighbor with 10. Okay? 1 plus 2 plus 6. But remember, do everything step by step. 1 plus 2, 3. Good. Plus 6. Good. 9. Bring down the 0. Don't forget the 0. Alright? Next. 2 plus 4. Good. 6. And then just bring down the 1. Wait a minute. Did I get the same answer? I did. So guess what? Did we do it correctly as a 4th grader? We did. Awesome. Guess what? We are done for the week. We are done. Now we know how to add and subtract whole numbers and decimals. And guess what? Now you know how to count your money when you go to the grocery store or to a store or wherever. And you know how to do things by yourself now. And you know how to check as well. Look at you being a 4th grader. Alright, so I'll see you next week with more stuff to learn, okay? Have a good day. Bye.